Okay, I just want us to go through this together. This is why he such as an ago crying because of fundraising. Okay, please let me comfort myself. You know what? Let us go through this together. I just want you to see how why Socha is crying. She was crying live because of USB fundraising. She said a lot of things that I would like you to hear on this video. She decided to start, streaming USB, fundraising because she's always hired to spy on how Biafrans are following the USB government, maintaining the status quo, like following the the mandate, protecting it with not one hand, two hands, and stand gidigbam doing what they're supposed to do to protect the mandate at detriment of her happiness. And she couldn't stand it at all. You are going to see what she said. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let me allow the please make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm recording it direct because she said a lot of things here that I want you to hear. Pay attention. Okay, let's start from beginning. Let's start from beginning. This week, yes. And from what we understood, the prosecutors, they finished their witnesses and everything. And in the next hearing, it will be the closing reading documents from the defendants of our Onyendu. Again, we are going to see how that is going to go. The world is watching. Our Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu has not committed any crime. All he has said is, let people be able to decide who is going to be a leader. Nigeria cannot continue to milk the oil, the natural resources that come from Biafran land, and continue to kill Biafrans in the process, just to continue to take that oil and export it outside the Biafran land. While our people die in abject squalor, no education, no healthcare system, nothing, no electricity, no internet service, nothing. And you carry, you milk our resources and ship it to people who are using those to make the life of their own people better. So the life of our people does not matter. They don't deserve the best hospitals, the best schools, the best electricity, the best internet, the best roads, the best airport in the world. You think Biafran do not deserve that? Not anymore. We deserve the best and even more. We must build the United States of Biafra. We are a free nation. We are committed to building one of the best countries in Africa and one of the best countries in the world. We are committed to respecting human rights. We are committed to making the world a better place. We are committed to building a country where there will be no room for terrorists in any of our borders, in any of our environments. That is what the United States of Biafra is committed to doing. And there's no going back on that. I call on all the international leaders, all true lovers of democracy, all true lovers of freedom to support us in this journey, which we're already winning. We need the support. We need the support to fight this terrorist state. We need the support to fight the bad leadership in Nigeria. We need the support to fight a country that kills Christians every day. Both children, both women are murdered every single day. As an ago. And it's not about Biafra. All those 200 people that were killed in Benue State, did they do anything? Ask Nigeria, ask Tinubu, what did those people, those innocent children that were burnt alive, what did they do? What did they do? Do they want Biafra? Do they want to be independent? Do they want to form their own country? No. But they were murdered. But wait, so this woman's nail. Nah, why, I do like it's a military technology. Anyway, let's continue. So ask Tinubu when he said that Biafra, they want freedom, they're separatists, they're doing this. Ask him, those 200 that were killed in Benue State a few days ago, do they want a new country? Are they separatists? What do they need? He will not answer that question. That is where we are the people that will decide.
Oye carrying mother carry go mother. Adamaka. You know why? This woman fall back to Briggy. Jump from Briggy, fall back to Charter Republic. From Charter Republic, she tried to put her left leg back to Briggy. Put the other leg back to Charter Republic. Then sticking her neck in USB again. Today is fundraising. Then you left your own fundraising. First thing you do is to spy on what USB is doing, even though nobody is streaming this program live on YouTube. She managed herself, she create fake account, use the login to join in the Zoom meeting, to take this information and add it back to her own StreamYard. She's playing this, and to her, because she said that oh, they are now having secret fundraising. This to tell you that she always watch you, all of you broadcasting. She always in your platform, and she pretend that no, I don't watch you people. They know you not watch man. Always in the form of Yoshi. Negenti. Today, I just want to have your time this moment. Okay, listen.
Our fate. Nobody can decide that for us.
This woman on Finland.
We want to stop the killing. We want to live in a country where we are free. We want to live in a country where the terrorists are not going to.
She's panicking. Now this woman on a Finland. Not on a Finland in a hotel. Look at her face. The panicking is not you. This woman, you just want to buy yourself for nothing. Anyway, it's funny, but I want to share it with you. Listen.
Milking our natural and our resources, shipping it to other parts of the world, collecting money, buying different houses, and why our people die. We will stop that. It's a promise. We will stop that.
Is an Nago want to be like serious?
I want to
also serious, please. Honestly, justice for I don't know, justice for you. Seriously, what you are doing is not good. I will be mad now. You know why will be. Oge nkere na na-ehicha ya mmiri, ị na-agbawakwa n'obi. Oge ị na-ehicha, how did you know ị na-ehicha mmanya mmiri? How did you know Ogechukwu? Oge and oge na-eme ife a, you see us on one corner na attract go. Anyway, let's continue.
to tell Biafrans that while the Nigerian terrorist state is using transnational repression to try to stop our freedom, just like they went to Kenya and took our Onyendu Nnamdi Kanu, took him back to Nigeria. They went to Finland, trying to take our prime minister back to homeland. They have their agents inside our Biafra movement that are still trying so hard. They are trying so hard to stop the cabinet members of the United States of Biafra government. When they know they have failed to stop the redeclaration of the United States of Biafra in Finland, they failed. And when they know they have failed in that declaration process,
honestly, when you look at this woman, you will see that she's regretting. She's missing USB. To be honest, she's missing USB. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah, man. In this life, you reap what you sow. I don't know how you're reaping it. And I'm not trying to mock you, but I just want to remind, let us learn from her. In this life, always know who you are. Know your level. Maintain your lane. Don't jump from here to here and claim that you are what you are not. There's a Nivea. I'm a Keta the guy no road in Czech Republic, no road in fallback. But your assignment is to you cannot abandon you cannot forget your SC. Can you? Cannot. Look at that's not why I can get that mama like Kiama. I Ghana na no na guy. I got for you chance so feel that na.
They have failed in lying to Biafrans. They have failed in going to homeland to confuse some commandos then, or not now, because now, no, they failed woefully. When they discover they failed everywhere, both at home and abroad, the next thing they think they can do is to take the United States of Biafra government to sue them to court using the Nigerian agents that penetrated this government, Biafra Republic government in exile, to sue this new beautiful nation. And what Biafrans are telling them, you can never stop. You can never win this battle. We cannot. It's a promise.
We shall see.
Okay.
We shall see in God's vision.
So these elements, they have sued, they've taken the United States of Biafra government.
I will save this video. Maybe you shall see. We shall see.
We are the de facto government. We are the brigade. We are the United States of Biafra government. It is a continuum. There is nothing they will do without our approval. Nothing. So those of you that they have called to sue us, people like Elias and Dabiri, who is colluding with the Nigerian government and these agents of them inside brigade. I hope the statement the Prime Minister gave you people is resonating. I hope you all got the message. I believe some of you were in Finland.
There is nothing like
that instruction he gave you. I know you all got it, right?
There is nothing like the message. How about to be a gift to anyone?
You cannot.
Oh, we got the message. I don't fear.
Not why some of us are here.
Okay.
You said that there's no message. Yes, you said no, I call you a message. I hear you.
Yes, I see. And God is a battle.
But we welcome any plan.
In Anna, is a battle.
Any plan that the remaining plan Bianco Ojukwu is giving you, we welcome all of that. And you know this time that Biafra is a spirit.
Do you notice something? They told you that they said the same people said that Opatobe said that he don't want to see CS. Nah, but CS is in Finland to see who? According to you, is it Denise? Is your guys? Oh no, no, Finland to see who? Kainaga.
Biafra is a spirit. You can never win this battle.
We shall see.
So Biafrans, on that note, I can talk about.
Are you hearing that? This is, I see, is a challenge to you. Listen to this video. This woman have bet you watching this video, not US here. Understand this very clearly. As long as you are an Igbo person, you are Biafran, you know what is right, you know what is wrong. This, why here, always beg people for nothing. The only thing I want you to understand is this. Her words is not for serious. It's you that are going to watch this video from my channel. You are hearing my voice. This you shall see is a challenge to you. Don't think that it's for CS. CS is doing very fine in her life. Very, very, very fine. She's not here for your money. Those ones, those lukewarms are here for your money. Pandemic why is an one of Ekulobia. Okay, that's mostly. I will confirm if you're from Ekulobia, please pardon me. I don't know. I think Ekulobia is where I think someone told me that she's from Ekulobia in Anambra State.
All day long. But again, on that note, that is the brief of what we have on the update on our PM's case, update on our Onyendu's case, the delegitimized governors that are trying to deceive themselves by thinking this is now the time for them to recruit innocent Biafrans to be fighting the so-called, fighting Fulani terrorists, whom Onyendo has told them long time ago. Nandi, our Prime Minister, have told them long time ago that these people are coming. Now they have woken up to recruit innocent Biafrans. After we are the one that brought these terrorists. But this time we will show you that game you are playing. We've already played it and stop playing it. We will get you, we will meet you at your own game. As you are killing Biafrans, locking them up in different DSS dungeons across Nigeria and across Biafra land just because they are Biafrans, and giving an order from above that anyone that was taken by DSS, any Biafran taken by DSS, when their family members go there, you refuse for their family members to see them. It was an order from above, confirmed by our Biafrans that are working with the Nigerian DSS. It was confirmed. We know you have those standing orders, but we will protect our land. We will protect our people.
Nigerian government, they can't do them anything. But even name Bremu that now as now that the Biafran government in exile. Oh my God.
So on that note from D, I think that is all the update I have. Please let us continue to donate money.
What did she say?
This is a donation for us to build our land.
Join
our
our nation program.
Is fully protect our land. We will protect our people.
Nigerian government.
Let's hear what she said.
They can't do them anything.
Okay. Then.
But even name Bremu that now as now that the Biafran government in exile. Oh my God.
So on that note from D, I think that is all the update I have. Please let us continue to.
She wanted to say that no one you know, yet in charge of the federal government in exile. Oh God, very lucky no boy. Obrumo Dabi.
To donate money. This is a donation for us to build our land.
Join
our
our
nation
program.
We must participate to build our new nation. We must be part of building our new nation. Nobody will do that for us. As Biafrans have resolved to continue the voluntary Monday sit at home until our country is fully protected, until our leader, Onyedin Nnamdi Kanu, is released, until our Prime Minister is joining us next week, but more importantly, until we protect our land from the reintegrated terrorists of the Nigerian state. Biafrans have vowed to continue the voluntary Monday sit at home. And I'm telling the world, almost many part of the northern part of Nigeria have been taken over by the terrorists. Schools have been shut down for over 10 months, 11 to 1 year. No school, children are not.
This woman, do you know the purpose of this woman streaming this live, this fundraising? She joined to mock and ended up being lectured. You see how calm she is now? She just because of the Google full and terrorists or what you can get. Okay, you are packing information free of charge. Olodo.
School in the northern part of Nigeria
in our land.
Because of the reintegrated terrorists that we have rehabilitated by Nigerian Defense Chief Christopher Musa.
What is stupid human being?
Most indigenous in the northern part of Nigeria, they have to pay to go to their farms. They are being.
This woman, if you go to messages, I swear, give me. Oh, you choose this fight with that problem. Or go carry again. When my friend HH before ga in our water. When my friend HH before ga, but look at you. Just look at you.
Taxed by the terrorists. But Tinubu is not talking about that. He is busy in the southeast and south of Nigeria. Now, Biafra land, where he knows that the oil they steal, that is where it comes from. He will not tell you. Bianco Ojukwu, you will not tell them that most of the schools in the northern part of Nigeria are shut down for the past 12 months. Children don't go to school. The terrorists go to dorms, to school, and kidnap undergraduates, take them inside the bush. Many of them don't come out.
Oh, yeah, no,
You didn't tell them that. When you go to Finland, I believe you didn't tell them that. No, you did not.
That's my bed. No, child on that country.
You didn't tell them. You didn't tell them that indigenous Nigerians are calling for help. When the terrorists come to kill them, they call for help for hours. Nobody comes to defend them. After they've been killed and massacred and burned to death, Nigerian military, they start coming out from the corners. After the killing has subsided. You didn't tell Finland that story, right? No, you did not. You are more interested in Simon Ekpa. You are more interested in the Biafrans. Because of what? We are stopping you from milking, from stealing the oil that comes from our land. And I promise you, even if you give King Charles 1,000 barrels of oil every day, he will never support you, Tinubu, in what you are doing today. That is why Nigeria is a failed state. Nobody can save Nigeria anymore. It's gone. The best thing, you allow the regions, just like the United States of Biafra, we've declared our independence, allow the Oduduwas to go, allow the Arawas to go. Let people start from the scratch to build their own nation. Biafrans, we already built our own nation.
Students.
It is not matter of whether you like it or not. To stop the killings, to make the world a better place. On that note, I hand over to you, Famdi. Thank you so much. And in the course of our fundraising, please continue to donate, continue to donate, continue to donate. And if anyone has any questions, please don't get to ask it during this period. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Please check your phone. I texted you something.
All right.
Yeah. Thank you for that brief. And then it's just a composite of everything happening and everything that we need to know. And then I'm sure everyone knows this. And this is just a summation of what is going on. Many things. The case of Biafra is on international stage.
Oh, what idiot! I'm not idiot. Oh, because she always hide in her platform to stream this. As I miss many things, or you miss being in USB. And are you okay? I know what they're talking about. I know of ya.
I'm waiting for this. It is on international stage because of what the USB government, the United States of Biafra government, I just remember the security Zoom meeting, security Zoom fundraising. And what?
I feel I'm all kind of again. Nobody wearing game again today. Nobody wearing got dress.
Something very interesting happened this week.
So instead of you coming to us, we are coming to you today. How about it? Is it Nago? Is it Nagisi Wanja?
Like I told you, it's because of what the United States of Biafran government is doing.
All right, my people, let me just end it here. You have seen her reaction. She's very, very confused. Crying, her heart is very, very heavy. Honestly, I'm a very good person. I fell for her. You can't pretend. Then he's here. Nọọsụ jiri mmadụ this woman n'ime ọba na ọkwa ncha ncha, to be honest with you. Nego this. Anyway, like the video. Thank you so much, and let us just end it here. God bless you, and tell me what you think about this woman. It's very, very funny. I'm honestly very, very funny. Let me just end it here. God bless you, and see you again. Bye bye for now.